Hello, so welcome again to DIY. So here's some settings twists to make your Windows 11 faster. So you just open your Windows 11 and let's see what we can do today. So you just right click on the start and then go to settings. From settings you go to about. So from there go to advanced settings. Click that advanced settings, then you will be directed to this menu. So this menu is all about changing your settings in your environment. So you can have windows to decide. This is the default. So adjust for best appearance or adjust for best performance. And you can customize also. So there are a lot of settings there, but to summarize, you just click adjust to best performance, then apply, then okay, then okay. So you don't need to restart the PC. It will apply immediately. So that's it. Thank you.